All right, so here we have my drone. It's gonna be one of my first FPV drones that I built myself and flew. So it'll be pretty fun. Should be fast. This is a smaller frame, carbon fiber, with 5-inch blades. It's perfect amount of clearance. So this should be a very, very catchy, quick drone. Very flighty, you know what I'm saying? And because you can do stunts, I've even got in my cart when I get caught up with money, because I bought this stuff a long time ago. Believe it or not, like 6 months ago I bought this kit. I just left it in the box. I didn't mess with it until recently. So because I'm at a point in life where I would love to start playing some of the hobbies that I did as a child, which is like RC trucks, boats, cars, everything. Drones now, because back then they didn't really have them. We had rubber band fixed wing planes that would crash into trees or get stuck. So but yeah, if this can go like 200 miles an hour, that would be really cool. It sounds like a little bumblebee zipping around, and then you can maneuver and do tricks with them and fly through stuff. I want to be good at that because I'm a pretty good control, like with video games I'm pretty good. So I'd love to see how good I can be with something tangible that I can actually build and control. So anyway, yeah, here's my my time machine. In case you were wondering what that was, I had to get one, man, because it's my favorite movie growing up as a kid. One of them. I know, and a lot of people, I didn't realize they even made these like this. This one's the Back to the Future, the second one, where it can fly. It doesn't say out of time on the back. It's the futuristic one with the Mr. Fusion. Anyway, yeah. So, all right. Hope y'all enjoy. Hope y'all find a hobby that's good, good for you, and will be fun. You know what I'm saying? If you're not into doing R&D and building, generators or anything like that, at least I can help you have a little fun. You know what I mean? Peace.